Hi, I'm Kim from Bush Gear. Today we're going to show you a simple way to bone out a front leg, and then we're going to clean up a backstrap. The knives I'm going to use today are just our a kit of sharp knives. They're German quality steel, very good quality knives. So here we've got the front leg, and basically as before, just come in with your brisket knife and open it up, and then start just to rub the skin off the meat. Now you'll notice, because I shot this one high in the shoulder and the neck, so some of this meat I'm just going to cut straight out where the bruising is. You don't need any of that. So there's your meat. As I said, there's a fair bit of bruising there, so that's the first thing I'll do is just take that straight out. So I don't want to mix that in with my food. Now I'm going to use a lot of this for mincing. So you'll notice on the blade there's a bone that runs down here. So if I run my knife down the edge of that bone and then start to peel it back, I'm going to peel a lot of the meat straight off the shoulder blade. Just take your time, and then once you jump over that shoulder blade there, you can just run your knife straight in and take out a big chunk of meat. You follow down around where the bone is, and you've got another knuckle over here. But that will now go in the mincer. Come on the other side of that bone, and you can peel that off as well. Now if you're like me and you've got the dog out the back, if you put your knife in here where the knuckle is, run it round, there's a dog bone with a bit of meat on it. And this part here is once again the shank meat, ideal for the slow cooker. And once again for the dog. So all of this then will just get cleaned up, and those pieces there will go in the slow cooker, and this will go with the other mince we're going to do. So then you can make up tacos, all sorts of things, any sort of mince. You can turn into hamburgers, sausage meat, whatever you wish. All I'm now doing is cleaning up the back strap. It came out, so I want to get the white sinewy part off the back of it. The easiest way I find to do that is just put a nick in underneath and run the knife through. You find the majority of it will come off very quickly. So once again, the other way you can do it is just take the end off there and just pull it back. When you get back to here, you're going to have to strip it off. It gets a bit tough to pull off it. Beautiful piece of fine backstrap.